And hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Let's just close that and close that. Okay, so today we're going to talk about something pretty basic, but you have to know this in order to be good at programming, because otherwise you're going to get lost in your whole thing you're trying to do. So today we'll be talking about the IPO. Now, IPO stands for Input, Process, Output. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll explain it anyways. So basically what it means is how your programming works. It gets an input, it processes that input, and it gives an output for that input. So here I have a small example. So it takes the input, which will be something like a name or something like that. It processes the output, which we'll be looking at right now. Just give me a few seconds, and then it gives you an output. So let's quickly go here, and let's just add a lot of text here before I explain it. Okay, now we have it. So let me show you. So first I'm going to put my name in here. That's an input. Then I'm going to process this input, which will, this is the process. This is processing the input. Actually, this whole thing is a process. It's a procedure, but it processes the input. So it takes the input right here, and it puts it in the output. You should be understanding this part by now if you have been watching the whole tutorial. So this is an output, but it's the input, but it takes the input, processes it into the output, and it says, take whatever in the input and say that plus it is cool, like Netsu is cool, you know, and then display it here, because that's the output. So display it in the output. So basically the process is just making it work. So let me show you how it runs. Alright, so here we have it. So here's the input. So let's give an input of Netsu. Now we're going to process. I forgot to clear it. No, let's clear it like this. Okay, so here's the input. So I'm going to process this input so it gives me an output of Netsu is cool. So input, process, output. Now that's pretty cool, isn't it? That's it. That's all actually to input, process, output. This whole thing was actually a little bit more explained than I actually had to. If you have a Delphi handbook, it is really nice. They explain input, process, and output amazingly to you. I just basically took what they did and explained it more in my own words. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you all learned something new. See you all in the next video.